844 East 260th virtual tour. Awesome house. The roof is less than 5 years old. It's a one-car garage, brand new central air, great siding on it, newer windows. So you can see there, big backyard. There's your new AC right there. So let's go inside. Here's your kitchen here. So they got some cleaning supplies there. We're going to get it going. But you got gas cooking there, all painted, newer flooring, kitchen cabinets, nice lights. Living room area, walk-in living room. You see it's a nice big open floor plan. Comes right off the kitchen there. New carpet put in. Got new flooring in the bathroom here. So you have a bathroom on the first floor, newer toilet. Again, this house is violation free. You see this house there, new carpet, paint, lights, plugs, switches. They pretty much did all of it here. Everything's cocked in tight. 2 bedrooms on the first floor. So you can see that too. You can see all that. It's got a big basement, which I'll show you a little bit later, but that's awesome too. And there's a big bedroom upstairs with all the built-in drawers and a place you can use for an office or a bigger closet. So you can see here, this is a big area here. You can put, you know, a big bed or TV. Have your privacy in. You see wood floors. Those actually look like oak instead of pine, so that's kind of different. And then you have this walk-in area here with the shelving. There's another closet. So you can use this for whatever, study, like I said, put your computer in here. You got a couple storage places here. You can put, this is a closet. And this is a closet here too. So you got about 3 closets, and you can use that other one as a closet or a walk-in office type area if you have an in-home business. Let's go down to the basement where we also have a new heater. So the heater and AC is new. The roof is under 5 years old. So wow, this is pretty good. And then you have a bar, entertainment area down here. So you can see it's got all the pine. And there's your bar there. Again, this has been taken care of. It's a nice area. And then they have an area where your heater is and your water heater, which is new too. And you can storage area over here. So you can see it's kind of a big area. Here's the heater. And here's the newer water heater. So everything here is here, and it's a nice area, nice location, close to the freeway. It'll get you where you need to go. So this is your virtual tour. Thanks.